No nonsense, just facts.
Could Tyson Fury knock out a lion with one punch?
So, could Tyson Fury knock out a lion with one punch? The dude's got a monster swing, about 1,300 pounds of force behind it. That's enough to drop plenty of boxers flat on their backs. But a lion? Or a bear? Nah, no shot. Those beasts are built tough, thick skin, crazy strong muscles, and bones that laugh at a punch. Best case, he might make him stumble a little, but that's it. Now, a smaller critter like a wild boar? Maybe it'd get woozy for a sec, but knocking it out cold? Still a long shot.
How intense is Tyson Fury's training?
His training? Man, it's next level insane. We're talking 6 days a week, 4 to 6 hours a day, no messing around. He's out there running 5 kilometers, drilling techniques, working on fancy footwork and defense, and going toe-to-toe sparring with some of the best fighters around. Even when he's not prepping for a fight, he keeps himself in tip-top shape. Boxing can go 12 rounds, so he's gotta have the gas in the tank to last, no half-efforts here.
How much does Tyson Fury make in a year?
How much cash does he bring in? In 2023, he pocketed around $50 million just from fights and endorsements. And his total worth? Probably over $100 million. The guy's a money-making machine in the boxing game. People can't get enough of his skills and that larger-than-life vibe. Boxing pays big because it's high stakes, and fans are all in for that adrenaline rush.
How long does it take for an average person to learn boxing for self-defense?
Okay, say you're just a regular person wanting to learn boxing to protect yourself. How long does it take? Good news, you don't need to be Tyson Fury. Give it 3 to 6 months of solid training, and you'll get the hang of basic punches like jabs and hooks, plus some slick footwork and defense moves. It's not just about swinging, it's learning to duck, weave, and keep your cool. That's more than enough to handle a sketchy street moment.